gentlemen, welcome back to Operation Exploration. Okay, so what we're going to do here in this episode is stick the lights on and then try and lift this thing up into space. Why are they red? I've never seen them red before. Does red not indicate that they're turned off? Wait a minute, why are they red as well? I thought they go orange or yellow if they don't detect anything. What does it say? Oh, this doesn't seem to be picking up anything. Right, okay. So, we need to put Iss solar alignment script onto these. How are we going to do that? Iss solar alignment script. Well, we need to name these rotors. Let me see, advanced rotor, but we'll call it solar Iss solar rotor, and then we'll call this so we've got port and we've got starboard, so we've got this will be port 4, so that'd be P4, port 4, and then this one here's port 3. I'm actually going to call this P3. I've got an idea for this here. P2 and P1. Oh. P2, P1. And then this is starboard 1. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on, that's not. That's the front. Oh well, we'll get to that now in a second. Not a big issue. And then this is starboard 1. Starboard 2 in this one. Starboard 2. And then starboard 3 and 4. I keep forgetting that's not the front. Starboard 3 and starboard 4.
Energy low.
And let's get inside and get this thing configured. Let's hop in here. And we go control panel and S. Why can't I see anything else in here? Is this ship only? Why can't I get everything else up? What? Is this thing even
Energy
connected?
Low.
Oh, it's not. It's not even connected. Oh dear. Control seat. This one. Can I even put it in here? It was floating, that's why. There we go. Now we're connected. That's more like it now. So we got starboard 1. So what we'll do is this will be ISS solar rotor. Oh wait, no, these have to have specific names, don't they? I just realised something. Yeah, we need to put the what do you call it? Programmable block in. That's gonna have to sit in probably up here somewhere, which will have we'll have two things, so we'll have two of them.
Inventory full.
and we need to get programmable blocks. They might actually fit in there. Just realised that. Let me see, can we turn that around? Oh, we can. Right, so this one here is going to be solar alignment, and that one there is going to be the battery. So this one here is edit, browse scripts, and we're going to get the solar alignment one. Air leak detection. That's the one I've made. This is solar alignment. Here we go. Right. Copy to editor. Now, this needs to be solar rotors. So name a group with solar related rotors, not needed in gyro mode. String. Okay. Solar rotors. Okay. So we are okay to name them, just as long as so we need S1, 2. Oh wait. ISS. Solar rotor P4. Right. I'll have to scroll down through the list and try and find these manually. So like things like these can be show block and turn off, so that we can reduce the list. So battery warfare will keep on. Speed modules will take it off. So they're going off because we don't need them. Connectors will keep. Doors will keep. Gyroscopes, no. They're okay. Oh, they're okay. O2, H2, P1. Right. Okay. So this one here is ISS, solar, rotor, P1. This one's P2, P3. P4. This one's S1. This is... Oh, I've got the whole names mixed up already. That must be P3. And then this one here must be P4. S4, I mean. That's S3. And let me just check. I'll put a question mark on the end of that because I think that's S1. So if I can't find that. P1, P2, P3. There's P4 there. That's solar rotor. And that's S1. And SS P4. And then this one here must be P2, the one with the question mark on it. That was P2. Not a big difference if it's, you know, if that is the case. So we're just going to exit, X back, we should be there under ISS, solar rotor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, perfect. And they're going into a block group called solar rotors. Oh. Solar rotors. Save. Just check, see if there is a thing there called solar rotors. I like that. Did it create one there called solar rotors? Apparently not. We have, they're from there. Just check, see if it highlights them ones. Yep, it does. Perfect. Alright, let's access the script. Let's just double check solar rotors. By enabling gyro mode, the script will always. Okay, that's okay. Rotate the sunrise, rotate the panels. Okay. True or false? Yeah, default is true. This angle is figured out. Could be this and not there. Okay, okay. Power fallback, we don't need. Activation order. Activation on the battery. Activation overload. Base light management, we don't need. LCD panels. We'll not put that in yet. They're mainly for debug. Terminal statistics, armor time, the whole lot, it's okay. Just gonna check the code, that's okay, okay. Now we need to take the rotors off lock, which is solar rotors, and sure inertia tents are on. Rotor lock is off. And we need to recompile this thing. There we go. They say that they're lined perfectly. Okay, so if we go out here, they should be turned if all is set up correctly. Let's have a look out this window. It does look like they are. Can't see down there. Let's go. We went through here. I'll be able to see. They do look like they were turning. I need to get to the panel again, have a look. There should be set to rotate. Solar rotors. Okay. Unless we need sun, you know, for this thing, the trigger. So, because it's dark at the moment. But what I might do is do a quick, not cheat, but I just want to take the sun over. Just to check if they're working and then put the sun back to where it was. Let's do that. Right, let's test this theory out. Let's get the sun. Where's the sun? It's there, so they should twist towards that. They should. If I've named the group correctly, they should rotate towards that. They don't seem to be turning at all. I think it does take a while for it to kick in, but I'll put an LCD up here. Let me see, LCD. It needs to be just a 1x1. Transparent. Yeah, we'll go with this one here, just the LCD panel. And that's going up above here. And what does that have to be called for it to work? Solar panel 12 is damaged, repaired, maximum solar power. Solar panel 7. They're all damaged. Right, okay, that's a wee bit weird because they're not. They're all fixed. Not sure what's happening there. Let me check. What does that LCD have to be called for it to show the status? I think it's up here on the top, isn't it? Yes. Oh, there it is. LCD panels. To display the main script information, set the following keyword to any LCD. You can enable or disable custom data. Okay. So it is default is on ISA main. So it is exclamation mark ISA hyphen main. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. ISA main. And then I think it takes a while for it to show. Let's give this a recompile. Right, so since solar panel 14 is damaged, so let's go and have an investigation, see if that's actually true. That's still not showing the right data for some reason. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Oh! They are, oh, that's in line now, that's weird. Why is it doing now whenever it's not? That's more like it. It's done some weird thing now. Right, so it says the solar panel 14, so it'll be over on that side. They're green. Let's just check. That's okay, that side. That's alright. Alright, so this side's completely okay, so it must be the other side. So we did do these ones here first. No. That one looks okay there. Let's check this one. Because these would have been, you know, like for example, if we go with this one here, that's solar panel 12, and then this one's solar panel 13, which is 100%, and then this one's also 100%. That's solar panel 14 there. Oh wait, that's solar panel 4, that doesn't make sense. Right. See, that one there is trying to get the best of the sun, but see, this one here is blocking it. I don't like the way that they're not matching up, that's annoying me. The fact that they're not aligned properly. But they're getting the best of it now by the looks of things. I will let that walk away. Let's just see what it looks like from above. That's pretty cool, I do like that. Right, so the dock points are up here, so we'll have them numbered. Well, since they're going to be properly numbered, this one here will be this one here is going to be ISS connector, and then we'll call this 2. This is ISS connector 1. And then this one down here is 3. There we go. Now, let's get lights on these things. So we're gonna have, have I got any, yes I do, I have loads of construction blocks. Now, we need to get the lights put on, so they're gonna be interior lights. Let's put one. Yeah, what way are we gonna do these? I suppose that way there would be best, but let's do them in red. So that's going there. What name is that given actually, by the way? So was that interior light? Okay. Here as well. They're just going on the ends of the lights first. Now let's see if I can get into those. So I'll have to go to the door to get this. Let's just sit here. Okay. And then it is interior light, these 4 here. And they are called, well, I'll just leave them as interior lights, but they're going to be red. And the radius will keep low. Intensity, we'll just keep the radius to 3. Let's just see what that looks like. Yeah, I'm happy enough with that. Actually, we'll take the fall off back. The fall off should take that to up very close to it, so it shines on the actual thing itself. Yeah, that's alright. And now we have to put top on, so we're going to hide those first. And then we're going to put flashing ones on it. So interior. I'm going to hide these first. And now we put flashing ones on it, which will go in the middle. So they're... we'll keep them as red, you know, it's easier to see. So put one here. Put one here. And we'll put one here. Oh, there's a half block, it's not going to work there. Oh yeah, they have to go underneath, I forgot. One here lengthways, and one down here lengthways. And these are going to be fairly bright. Right, let's give these here a proper colour. Also I need to remember about the hydrogen as well. Not that many battles left. Right, let's get this. And it is interior. Forgot to weld them. It's alright, I'll get them now in a second. And these are called Iss White Strobe. Let me see. So the radius, intensity, radius we do 3, fall off we have 0, intensity half, and offset 0 as well, I think. And then the blink interval is 20% and 1 second. There we go. Let's see what that looks like. That's not valid. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I like that. I don't like the way you can't really see them. Alright, so that's done, and then we'll put the yellow anti-collision lights on these here. So they're going to go around the edges like this. Suppose we could put a sensor on so whenever something goes up to that there, they come on. I might actually just keep them as white, you know, just on like that there. Let's just change the intensity of those. Right. Let's get that. So that's interior. They're going to be intensity, and then what's the fall off? Oh, I might actually change these here as well. So what is this? Let's try the interior, other interior lights, the ones we hid. Oh. Okay, interior. I think it's these ones here. Let's check. Ah, it's these ones. So the radius is 3, fall off is this, intensity is this, offset is 0. Perfect. Let's see what that looks like. Yes, that's the way we want them there. You know, like the high luminant. Let's check the strobe lights. Do the same with them. So let me see that. And then it is Iss Strobe Lights. Oh, apparently it didn't save, did it? Oh, it did. White strobes. Okay, so radius, fallout, intensity, offset. I can't remember the sentence. What was it? What did we set for these here? Radius is 3, fall off is 3, intensity 10. Okay. And what did we say for the other ones? These ones here. It's there. No, that's not the door. It's this one here we need. Can't get it. Can't get it for some reason. There we go. Alright, so it is radius 3, fall off 3, intensity 10. Okay. Let's try that again. So it is ISS white strobe, radius 3, fall off 3, intensity 10. Intensity 10. Okay, let's try that. Let's see what it looks like now. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so the next thing to do is to do the other ones. They're going to be red as well. 9. And this one. 9. And this one. Right, let's get that set.
Energy low.
That's alright. Right, interior light. This one, this one, this one, and this one. They're all red. Radius 3. Fall off 3. Intensity 10. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah. Not better. And then let's see if we can get these interior lights here set up on the edge of this. And we'll get those set as well. I do like the wee bit of red, you know, it kind of gives it a bit of detail. And interior light. These ones here are getting, let me just check, yeah, they're all getting hidden. And these are all getting the same, so they're going to be 3, intensity up. Might as well. Yeah, they're supposed to be bright lights. Yeah, so we'll keep them bright. Good. So it's easier to spot. And that's pretty much it. We will put a couple of, you know, like red lights inside. Yeah, we'll put some red lights inside, you know, sort of to give it sci-fi look to it. So we'll put one in here. Let me just actually connect this. Interior. Show blocking terminal off. So the ones in here, is that 13? I can't see it. I don't know whether or not it is. So the ones in here. I have 2 in here. 1 here. 1 down in here. And that's taking up that space, so we're gonna have to put 1 here. Then put 1 here. Well, 1 inside here. And 1 down in here. And then we put, arrange them inside here. So there's one going there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That space has been occupied, that's alright.
Energy critical.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There. And there. And then we put ones down in the end, going left and right of this here, because we know that's symmetric. And then I'll put some down here. Oh wait, that's all the space is occupied, I forgot. Because this can't walk. Could we get some up here? Yeah, that's alright, we can put that there. Definitely can't put any about, no. That's a bit of unfortunate. It is a wee bit unfortunate you can't share blocks with some items. So all those interior lights are getting changed to red with a low fall off. So that's interior. And let's give them a proper name. ASS interior lights. They're going to be red. Or we can do like a blue. Yeah, the blue might give it a bit of a better look. Yeah, like a... Yeah, I do like that. Let's just give them a wee bit of a wide illuminant. Yeah. ISS interior lights. So let's give a bigger radius. Fall off. What is the difference between their fall off anyway? Intensity. Offset. I'll keep that. As long as it doesn't bleed through, I'm happy enough with that. Let's just see what that looks like. That needs to be closed. Some of it's bleeding through, but I don't really mind that. Right. We could put orange lights up along the side of this between the windows. So they can go lengthways. Oh, for God's sake. Ugh. That's supposed to be this color. Let's go on there. And then along here as well. Oh.
No energy.
Let's get in here. Let's get healed. Healed. That'll do. We'll get the interior one now in a second. And let's get the rest of these here. We could get... Yeah, we could get them in there as well. And here. And then a couple here. We can get one here. Well, really they should be orange. We'll not worry about that. That's alright. That's okay. That's alright the way it is. Although, actually no, we'll put... No, that's alright the way it is. Keep that. And then it's orange light here. Oh, when the game loads. Why does it do that? I reckon it's something to do with the graphics card, or it's like automatically saving. It's weird. So I don't think we put any there, but we put one here. Put one in between the two. And then we put one on the odd block. So one there. One there. And then one here. And same the opposite side. There. And here. And here. One there.
Energy
there,
low.
and there, and then there, and there. We'll just check, see if it's following along here as well. Put one in there. Put one there. And then every odd one. There. There. And here. And we could put orange ones left and right of the guns, yeah. Here and here. Orange lights here. Orange lights here. And orange lights here. What we could do is we could do some fancy thing where we could put like a sensor block on the side here, and these here go between green and red. So what it means is when the ship is docked up on it, they turn red, and then whenever it goes away from the sensor, they turn green again. Yeah, I feel like that'd be good. Now we just need to put the red ones, the orange ones under here as well. There, so we're going here and here. We will get some in the middle. We'll worry about that now in a second. Some here. Here. And then we put some down the middle. Put one down here in the middle. And then 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oh, that's every. Oh, okay, I see. So it's every 3 blocks. 9. 1. This is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4. Yeah, perfect. Actually works out pretty good. So that's every 4th one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, every 3, I think. Yeah, no, it's every 3. My bad. I am not awake today. 9. So that's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait, so if that's there and that's there, I've done something wrong. I have done something wrong. So that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. So something's not right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2.
Energy critical.
Yeah, no, I was right. I don't know what I've done there. That's weird. I could do with some on this here, but they're too far away. That's alright, we'll not worry about that. I actually choose something. I need to get energy, so let's quickly go to the med bay. Excellent. Now we go to all those interior lights, and we'll call them exterior lights. Oh, sugar. Why is some of them blue and some of them not? Hold on, that shouldn't be right. Oh dear. Is it going to load today? Please. What have I done? Oops. Oh, sugar. I thought I saved it. I thought I saved the group. Oh, this is going to be a nightmare. Oh dear. Right, I have an idea. Hide these, right? And now we strobe lights, interior lights. I don't know the names of the other ones. These ones. Are all getting hidden. What are these ones? Why are these ones here blue? Why are some of these here blue and some of them? Why are some of them green? As if they're on another grid. That doesn't make sense. Let me just... Oh, these are the... Oh! That makes sense now. Exterior amber lights. There we go. Exterior amber lights. There we are. Alright, so these, you lower this one here. And then you lower this, that gives this here colour. Radius, do 6. No, do 5. Fall off will keep. Intensity will keep to about 3. Yeah. We'll keep the offset to 1.5. Now let's see what they look like. Oh, I don't like the way that they're coming bleeding through like that. Might need to move the what do you call it? Fall off. Oh, and I've got these here. Oh, we haven't fixed up these. And here. There's any up here? Yeah, there's one here. And one here. Oh, wrong button. I was flying off there too quick. Yeah. Let's change the fall off on those. I can't like them, man. I'm gonna leave them there. Exterior. Yeah, I like that. That's better. Let's change the intensity and all on them. So I can see that. Exterior. Let's change that a wee bit. Exterior. Oh, game's loading. That's a lot better. Alright, let's take a blueprint of this. There we go. And I think we're pretty much ready. This thing is ready to go. We have the everything else pretty much set up. They're ready to go. We do need to put like a green and red side on it in order to show an indication of which way it is. I suppose we can know by this here. Right. Okay. I think it is lit up quite enough. So the next thing to do now is put the antenna and all in. The antenna can go in underneath because there's nothing going under here. So we can put an antenna here. Actually, I'm gonna put that in the middle. Oh, wait, no, the antenna takes out a couple of blocks. Antenna. We could use a dish, but the dish is quite big. See now, where can we put this? Suppose I can go. We can't put it under here, can we? No. Although saying that, we could put it here. Yeah, let's put it under here. Is that floating there? No, it's not. That's good. So now we can use this. Two full blocks in the middle. Oh, we have that block. That's 3. And then slope block. Like this. And then number 9. There we are. And then we can put the laser. The laser will have to go on the end of this thing. So if this thing is going to be flying around the Earth, its laser is going to have to go here and then keep track. So if you imagine this is flying like this here and it's over the Earth, it's going like this here around there like this. It means that we're going to have to put a laser somewhere on this side that it connects with a satellite. Yeah, or the satellite's going to have to go on this end. Because we want to orbit the Earth. We do want to orbit the Earth with the satellite. Oh, I don't know. We'll put it this side anyway. Put it in the middle. I don't know where I want this thing. It just needs to be somewhere where it won't lose connection. I think. Here's the best part. Let's put it here. Laser. There we go. And I can go in there, and that'll connect to whatever satellite there is. And let's rename that. And its range is infinite. This needs to get finished. And grab them components. Go down to here. Steal those components. Oh. Because they're full. Forgot. Right, I'll tell you what we will do. We'll put all that back and try to take over as much as possible. So we throw all this stuff in here. And we go to CC. Whatever, this one. Throw all that in there. Take all that. Why is it looking superconductors for our laser? Since when? When's that ever been a thing? I don't know, I can't remember. Oh, alright, apparently it is. I don't ever remember superconductor being a part of a laser. Ah, there we go. They don't take up that much space, I do remember that. There we are. Right, so that bit's going to connect with the satellite, wherever we're going to put this satellite. I think this is more or less ready to go. Of course, we need to disconnect it from the station to do other renaming, such as batteries, thrusters, the whole lot. This thing will need more thrusters, which reminds me, we didn't put the thrusters up here. We didn't put them along. I suppose what they can do is they can go here, here. Yeah, we didn't put lateral thrusters in, so they can go underneath. Yeah, they can go under here. Yeah, so they're going to be these ones. We need to take the colour. There. And here. That connector's going once we get up there. The rest of the stuff we'll talk about above that. And it. And it. There we go. If we need more thrusters, we can add them. Not 100% essential. Oh yeah, we need to weld those ones up. Whatever ones can't be. This one. Hopefully that it was just those two there. This one and this one. So don't fancy going over and back from equipment. There we go, got it all. We got it all. And up here as well. Right, I think this is pretty much good to go. We have our blue light, we have that. We've got one vent in it, which is all we need for now. If we need more, we can add more. Oh, sugar. They're in the way of the guns. That's okay, it's alright. It's okay. Yeah, it's alright. We'll not worry about that. Right, let's get a... I suppose we'll call this an episode, so in the next episode we'll get this thing lifted up. So, we'll leave it at that. Right. So that's the end of this here episode. Thanks very much for watching. We got quite a lot done. We got all our lights added. It looks very pretty now, and the blue light coming through that looks well, very, very well. I might change the lights. If you think of a better colour, maybe like a white, maybe I will change them to white, I don't know. We'll see, like some sort of other colour. but do suggest it in the comments. But just remember that that's the front and this is the back, so we can't have no like green on that side and red on the other, or green on side and red on the other, because I want to keep them all in one color. We could do like a color side that identifies which side is which, but I don't think we're going to bother with that, so we'll just keep it the way it is. But if you think of any other color, do leave it down below. We'll try avoid the following colors. Try avoid blue, green and red. Anything else in the other part of the color spectrum, do suggest it, whatever you think suits best. And then all the other colors, as I say, are going to stay the same, like the interior lights are going to stay as blue, etc. So we'll worry about that. So if you have any comments or any suggestions for the series, do drop it down below, or visit Discord channel that is linked in the description. Discord is primary source because the thing is, everybody will see the suggestion itself, because if somebody is, say, watching say episode 43 and then somebody makes a comment on episode 40, the person that's seen it unfortunately is not going to go back to episode 40 to see it. So it's better to keep things in Discord so everybody will see all the future suggestions. So make sure that if you are going to put something, if you have Discord, it's worth putting it in there as well. But other than that, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. I would like to give a massive shout out to the channel donators. You help make these videos possible.